friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE. Today's video is part of a collaboration that is being hosted by two wonderful ladies here on YouTube, and that is Marilyn from Fabulous Designs on a Budget and Kimberly Davis from Diva Designing on a Dime. It is their fall bar cart 2020. And the ladies asked us to style our bar carts and to make a signature drink. Well, my drink is very simple for fall, and it is just Kahlua and coffee. So we have brewed our coffee, and since I am decorating for Halloween, I thought it would be appropriate to use my haunted mug, my Ray Dunn Halloween haunted mug. And I just put in 2 ounces and I just swirl it around a little bit, and then we have a sip. Quite tasty. You can also add milk to it if you like, but I am not a big milk person, so I drink mine as is. So this is just my haunted Kahlua and coffee. Now on to the bar cart. Okay, and here is the bar cart. It is very simple. I don't decorate for fall all that much, but I do decorate a lot for Halloween, and so my bar cart is set up as a potion station. So as you can see, we have our poison here and our snake bottle filled with wicked deliciousness, and our shaker, and of course the Kahlua that we use to make our signature drink for this video. So the bar cart I picked up from Wayfair or Overstock. I can't remember which one. I think it was Overstock. And it is a smoked black glass, and it's very hard to keep clean. It's, as you know, with black, it picks up and shows every little speck of dust. So I apologize if you see dust, because I have tried to dust it off, but it's a dust magnet. Down here I have, well, let's start back up here. So I have my little Ray Dunn pumpkin that says boo, that is decorating the top of the bar cart. And as I said, it's very simple, but I love the way it looks. Down below I have my Ray Dunn Halloween pumpkin. I absolutely love it as well. Then I have my little Moscow Mule containers and some little acorns that I picked up from Joann's. So this completes my very simple bar cart. So I would like to thank Marilyn from Fabulous Designs on a Budget and Kimberly Davis over at Diva Designing on a Dime for hosting this collaboration. It is always so much fun to participate, ladies. I love joining in these collaborations, and I look forward to the next one. I hope you guys like my simple bar cart styling. Leave me a comment down below. I know it may not be to everyone's taste, but again, I don't have a lot of fall decor, but I do have a lot of Halloween, and I just wanted to keep it simple on the bar cart. So if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you are not already a family member, make sure you stick around for my Halloween home tour. That will be coming up in a couple of weeks. As I said, I don't decorate for fall, but I do go all out for Halloween. So that is all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have